And now it's time for Incredible Findings with your host, Mike Lawson.
Hey, everybody. Wow, am I excited about today's show. Because we've got a brand new product that everyone tells me is super fantastic. So let's stop wasting time and bring out our old friend, Tony Bright.
Hello, Mike.
Okay, Tony, never mind the small talk. What about this product that's supposed to blow our minds?
Hold on, Mike. First, let me ask you a very important question. Do you like going to the dentist?
The dentist? Are you kidding? I hate going to the dentist, don't you?
Well, what if I were to tell you you never have to go to the dentist again?
Wow, never. That's a long time.
That's right, Mike. Introducing Dentist in a Box.
Dentist in a box? What in the heck is that?
It's a complete home dental kit from Nubco.
Nubco? I've heard of them. They're famous.
That's right, Mike, they are. Now you can do all your own dental work right at home.
Whoa. Are you saying no more driving to the dentist, having to look for a parking spot, sitting in that dumb waiting room reading those boring magazines?
That's right, Mike, right at home.
Wait a second, Tony. How can I do my own dental work? I'm not a dentist.
You don't have to be, Mike, and that's the beauty of it. Dentist in a Box comes with all the instructions, so anyone can do it. Even you.
Hey.
Do me a favor, Mike. Take a look at these.
Holy cow, those are great-looking teeth.
That's right, Mike. But this is how they looked before.
Yuck. No offense, Tony, but those were really ugly.
I know, Mike, exactly. So this weekend, I installed my own caps.
Wow, aren't they great?
Hey, listen, what do you say we try it out?
I don't know, should we? Okay.
Now, Mike, weren't you telling me earlier you had a toothache?
Yeah, it's those darn wisdom teeth. 2 of them are impacted.
Well, what do you say we yank those buggers out of there?
Maybe you're right, Tony, but I'm a little nervous. I mean, isn't it gonna hurt like heck?
You've got nothing to be nervous about, Mike. Dentist in a Box comes with laughing gas and Novocaine. The first thing we're gonna do is freeze that jaw.
Okay.
Just find a spot in that jaw muscle and let her rip.
Hey, this is fun.
You're doing fine, Mike.
Wow, that was super easy.
Good work, Mike. Now what say we get at those nasty old wisdom teeth?
Okay. Let me at 'em.
Good job. And with Dentist in a Box, you'll learn how to cure gingivitis, plaque buildup, and abscesses. You'll even do your own root canal.
I did it!
Good work, Mike. Hey, and you know, if you can do it, anybody can.
Hey.
But seriously, Tony, Dentist in a Box is great, but how much does it cost?
Well, Mike, you know, dental school can cost up to $300,000. Then you've got the cost of office rental, all that equipment.
Come on, Tony, what's it gonna cost?
Mike, I can give you the whole package. The equipment, the instruction book, the instructional video for $300.
$300? You can do better than that, Tony.
All right, let me see. How about $200?
Well, that's a little better, but we want a real deal, right, everybody?
Yay! All right, Mike, you drive a hard bargain. What if I were to say to you, 3 easy payments of $39.95?
Hey, that's more like it. So how's the order, Tony?
Send your check or money order to Dentist in a Box, P.O. Box 788, Postal Station C, Farmington, Illinois. Prohibited by law in all states except Arkansas and parts of Hawaii.
Well, that's it for our show. Thanks for joining us on Incredible Findings. Thank you, Tony.